In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the language on your Tesla Model Y. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Changing the language settings on your Tesla Model Y or any other model is extremely simple. So to do this, you need to use the display or the dashboard. So go over to the Tesla settings and on the categories, choose display here. So open the settings, go over to display, and as you can see when you scroll down under the language category, you will be able to change everything here. So you will have three main options: the touchscreen language, the voice recognition language, and the voice navigation. So for the touchscreen, this is how every single part of information here will be displayed. So displays in this language. So you will have all of these things, all of these words, in the language that you set up here. The voice recognition is going to recognize the commands in the specified language. So in this example here, the commands that you would issue would be in Spanish for the Tesla Model Y to recognize. And of course, you can adjust this to your preferences, such as English. Voice navigation is how the car is going to speak the commands. So the instructions spoken by the car's systems will be in the language specified here. So it is what you are going to listen to. And you can change these individually, so they don't have to be set up to the same. You can, for example, have the touchscreen on English, but voice recognition on Spanish. And once you change any of these, they will be saved and applied immediately. It is very simple to do, and it works on any model of Tesla. So you open the settings, go over to the display category, scroll down, and you will find the language options here. So I hope I was able to help you. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. So I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.